Aha, aha, aha.
Romantic comedy than it's ever been. There's much more, yeah, just much more chemistry, much more like interaction between all the students. It was quite a different.
Mr. Julian Machado.